Okay, a little bit of the history of our RPG, as you've heard in other parts. My character that ran the campaign, the benefactor of all these guys that I played with, and we played the same group of guys for almost 2 years straight on one game. Uh, it was fun but crazy. Anyway, Bob was a Bothan, and he kind of his twin brother was in the Bothan Syndicate, so he had some pretty good ties, so he could do just about anything he wanted. Well, in building all these characters and building up the game, what we've got is because Bob knew some people on Tatooine, he built this tanker, and they moved a lot of fluids, all kinds of different kinds of water, and of course smuggled people inside here to different places in the galaxy. And so this was one of Bob's freighters, and so were these. These are really interesting, and if you studied any Star Wars at all, you'll be able to read that, or at least drag out your alphabet and figure out how to read it. And so there's this one, and there is this one here, engines, cockpits, etc., and the bigger one here, which has lettering and of course all this wonderful stuff all the way around it. Now, unless you saw me making these basic squares, sort of, well, I had used an awful lot of lead pencil because I had 3.0 lead, 4 or 5.0, 7.0, and so I had all these lead containers that were empty for years. And I thought about it, and I decided to take the pencil lead containers and build these cargo ships out of them. And once you get a close-up of these, you'll actually be able to notice that, what in the heck? Those are actual pencil lead holders, which we made ships out of. So, just a little bit of fun history that goes with all of the other history. Thank you very much. Have a great day.